Good day, class. Our first assessment will be about listening to phone messages and taking notes. So essentially, what you will do is you will listen to a recorded message, maybe from a job that you just applied for, and then you will write the most important information, just a few words to summarize. Okay, so so summarize means to write down the most important information. This is a very important skill. Why is it important? Because people speak very, very fast. Can you write as fast as people speak? Definitely not. So if you want to take down the most important information, you need to be able to think and reduce and shrink what you hear into just the most important information. Also, it will help you remember. Often you can't remember what someone said during a conversation, but if you listen to someone during a conversation and you write down the most important information, that will help you remember. It will also help you to learn and to organize your thoughts. So for me, I like to keep my notes on a small notepad. So for our next assessment, you will be listening to a phone message and writing down notes, maybe about 5 or 7 items. All right. And the good thing about this is you can put it into a wallet and you can store it for later use. Okay. So to summarize, our next assessment is taking notes, and it will use listening and your writing skills. All right. So thank you, everyone, and take care. Have a good evening.